Hello and welcome to another Out of Spec Reviews video. I am super excited to be here actually on Corolla Beach on the Outer Banks to present to you this, the Hankook iON HT, which is a fantastic new tire that's purpose engineered for electric SUVs and pickup trucks. I've already shown you these on our Rivian R1T, and now I have them here on our SUV version, and man, this is just one of the coolest tires on sale. I absolutely love that they're engineered to take you farther due to a compound that prioritizes rolling resistance, but also long-lasting life and all-season capability. It's really a fantastic all-around tire offering, and in this video, you're going to learn all about it and why I have chosen to install it here on this vehicle. So join me as I walk you through everything you need to know about the Hankook iON HT. Well, the Hankook iON HTs featured here on the Rivian is one tire in the entire Hankook iON lineup. We've mentioned Hankook iON tires in many of our videos over the years, and I've been so impressed with their entire portfolio to make a tire line that balances all of the needs of electric cars. Electric cars are, of course, heavy. They have a lot of torque. They're extremely fast, so you need a tire that can handle the loads that have to go through it. But then we all want tires to last a long time. We don't want to be replacing tires every 10,000 miles. So it has to have a long durability life to it. And then on the other hand, it still needs to handle the performance characteristics of the cars, and it needs to be quiet, and it needs to have a long warranty, and the list goes on for all the attributes. It's really hard to make a tire do everything possible. But with the Hankook iON lineup, they really have tires to fit the specific needs of performance electric cars like Audi e-trons or Porsche Taycans to long mileage vehicles that we've seen on like Hyundai Ioniq 6 and other long range vehicles. And then now the iON HT, which is perfect for electric pickup trucks and SUVs. We run it here on our two Rivians. We have the iON HTs, but they also have sizing that fits Lightnings and other vehicles in this category. And there's a real reason why I'm super thrilled about having this tire on our Rivian, and that is just the all-around capability. For example, just today I drove out here from the out-of-spec track out here to Corolla Beach on the Outer Banks. It's about a 3-hour drive. Got incredible efficiency out of a 20-inch tire on this vehicle, which is kind of unheard of in this world. I was just blown away with that. And then this tire still features all-season capability. Now, I pushed it really hard today out on the sand dunes. We were flying around in deep sand. That's not what this tire is engineered to do, and it was awesome. It was perfectly fine in that scenario. But I really love that it's kind of a one-size-fits-all where it can do most things. Now, this is not a dedicated winter or ice tire. Of course, this is an all-season tire that can handle dips in temperature from time to time. If you live in an area like we do where we get the occasional drop in temperature, this is a fantastic all-season tire offering. Of course, Hankook has winter tires that you could purchase from them as well. And overall, the endurance, the durability, the longevity, this comes with an extremely long mileage warranty on these tires, and it's just a great one tire to put on your electric pickup truck or SUV. Well, of course, we can nerd out about all the benefits of a tire in terms of longevity, mileage, performance. But for a lot of people, it just comes down to how does it look on your car? And man, does this thing not look awesome. This is just a perfectly fitting looking tire. And I really love the way this sidewall design looks. Tread pattern's beautiful as well. It fits perfectly onto this wheel that we're running. Of course, when we're talking about vehicles that are heavy and make a ton of power, tire wear comes into concern. Well, with Hankook, you don't have to worry about that because surprisingly, these iON HTs come with an 80,000 mile tread warranty on them. That is insane. And so you can just drive for miles worry-free. And even more impressive is Hankook is running their 100-day trial offer. So you could buy these tires, put them on your vehicle. If you decide, hey, I don't like them, you just return them and Hankook will take care of it for you. Pretty cool. What we should do is we should go for a drive with our iON HTs. We've got quite a bit of miles to do today, actually starting on sand, which isn't the main use case for the tire, but we've got to get back to the main road. And then we'll cruise around, we'll get a general gauge of the efficiency on the tire as we make our way back to the out-of-spec track. And we've got about, I don't know, 3 or 4 hours of driving to do today on these things. So let's load up, go for a drive and experience the iON HTs out on the road. We are pulling out to go experience the iON HTs on the road. Just did a big road trip to the Outer Banks and back with these tires, and I've got to say, super impressed, genuinely. First of all, the biggest thing is the noise. Electric cars are quiet. You want the tire that you run on your electric vehicle to also be quiet. And here, the iON HTs are whisper quiet. It's unbelievable how you can get such a really good looking tire with incredible long life and really good performance characteristics at such a low noise level. That really stands out as a key unique selling point to me. Secondly is how the tire behaves and performs. This is a heavy vehicle and it has a ton of torque and a ton of braking force as well. So just leaning on the tire under brakes and leaning on the tire on acceleration, it just puts the power down like crazy. No spinning, just hooks and rips. It's absolutely awesome in terms of that. And so what you're looking for from a daily drive characteristic is the ability, of course, to handle that big output power, that big braking force, even some handling as well. And I've actually taken these tires around a lap of the out-of-spec track and was totally blown away as to their breakaway characteristics, their grip level characteristics. It's a really fun tire, surprisingly, for its intended purpose. I was really blown away with what this thing can do. And here, just kind of going through a roundabout, we'll just push it in, go around the other direction. Hold on tight back there. iON HT's grabbing, no problem. So it's not obviously a dedicated racing performance tire, but it certainly allows you to experience the big performance capability of your car. And then really the next most important metric is just the efficiency. That's something we all care about as electric car drivers, is what are these tires like when you need to do a road trip? Are you going to gain range or lose range? And I have to say, for their intended purpose, this is an incredibly efficient tire. Here in the Rivian, running a 20-inch, pretty big tire, we were getting well over 2 miles per kilowatt hour at highway speeds. Like, I'm talking 80 miles an hour. So very impressive, considering, again, the looks, the noise, the performance. It's also fairly efficient. And I'm very blown away with the iON HT. So cruising behind the wheel, there's no other tire I would run on a daily drive at this moment in time than the iON HTs on my electric pickup truck or SUVs. And I mean that genuinely, because I literally installed them on both my pickup truck and my SUV, and I am totally pleased with them. They are a great option for electric vehicles in this segment. So the Hankook iON HT, in summary, a fantastic tire for electric pickup trucks and SUVs. As now a customer, I am totally thrilled to have them on my electric SUV and pickup truck. They are efficient, they are quiet, they are high performing, and they are long lasting. The iON HT is engineered to take you farther, and well, it does just that. So a big thank you to Hankook for sponsoring this video. A big thank you to them for making some fantastic tires for electric vehicles. I hope to showcase more of them for you over the coming years. And a big thank you to you at home for watching. Hope you have a great day. See you in another one again soon. Bye-bye.